What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work with the Nissan Sentra. So yep, like you guys heard, today we're working again on the Turbo Sentra. By the title, you guys know what are we doing. So let's get to the point. Let me show you. So right here I have the shift light for the car. It's nothing fancy. I got it from eBay and I already opened it, but you guys can see it right there. So this one, I think it was, I don't know, like 20 bucks. I can't remember. But yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna crack it open and it should be like a few wires and we should get it working. So let's go. Alright, so I have the shift light open and I got here the instructions. Basically it's telling me where each wire is gonna go, but the most important thing about it is telling me that I need to calibrate the shift light to actually operate properly with my engine. If you guys see it right there, it says 8-cylinder, no clip necessary. It says 6-cylinder, clip, brown wire loop. And if it's a 4-cylinder, it says to actually clip the brown and the orange. So basically what we're gonna have to do is to get these two wires over here and we're gonna have to actually cut them so I can actually have the proper readings on the tachometer, so the shift light will be working the way it should. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna actually cut these two. It says to actually tape them, and then besides that I have 3 wires. Red is gonna go to the 12 volts ignition switch. I have the black, which is ground, and then I'm gonna have the green one, which is gonna go to the tachometer signal. So let's go. So I went ahead and actually cut the wires right here. I'm gonna tape them real quick and I'm gonna actually start mounting these 3 wires. Should be very easy. I'll show you how I find them. Let's go. Alright, so I went ahead and I taped those wires that I cut, which was the orange and the brown. Everything is taped. I put the wire sleeves here just to cover everything, so this one actually is gonna cover the whole thing. And I'm planning to put the shift light around right here. I want it like somewhere over here, so that way I can actually have it in front of me so I can focus on my gauges and let the light talk to me. Because the thing is that if I'm watching the tachometer to shift, then I'm not looking at my boost gauge and my AFR, and that is more important to me than actually shifting on times. Because if the car goes lean, kaboom, which it happens once, I don't want that to happen. So yeah, this one is gonna go around there for now, and yeah, it should be fine. So let's go. Boom. Yeah, the shift light is gonna be mounted on that position. It's still loose around the wires all the way to the back, but now I have to remove this to actually do the wiring. So this is gonna be out the easy way in, and boom. Yeah, few bolts later, we have 4 on the here, we got 8 on the plate over here, and we are here. So here I got the 3 cables that we're going to be working with. If you guys saw the cluster install, you guys know that I have my cluster wire that I throw last time when I did it. So my cluster wire probably is this one if I'm not mistaken. And then I have ground right here, and then most likely somewhere on the ignition switch right here I'm gonna find my 12 volts. So let's go. I'm gonna keep this part because I mean this one is the boring part, so when you guys see all this, it will be connected. And boom, yeah, just like that, I'm done over here. I have the tachometer signals, or the same wire that I tapped from the ECU last time. If you don't have a tachometer signal, what you can do, you can tap from the coil. I did it back in the day and it doesn't seem to be very accurate, so that's why I decided to tap the ECU. Here I have my 12 volts So when I pull the switch on, it goes on, and I have my ground right in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to mount everything in a second. And boom, yeah, just like that, everything is back all together. The knife is actually right here. Went ahead and mount my shift light, and you know, you guys know me, so I got zip ties this time. This is going nowhere. That's actually it should look. You guys see it right there. And now let me warm up the car and let's go for a drive. Let's go. Have the car on right now. We're gonna wait until it warms up, and then we're gonna go for a small drive. Let me see if this thing works real quick. There it is, you guys see it right there. When I go to 0, turns on. Let's see, there it is. Seems to be delay, but all right, let's wait until the car warms up and we go from there. Look at that. Right, let's try again. This thing is not working the way it should, man. I need more road. So many cars today. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. The B13 now has a cheap light, and so far is garbage. I don't like it at all. It doesn't seem to be working the way it should. Let me show you that real quick. There is and it seems to be delayed. I don't know what's the issue, but thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and yeah,
Peace out.